Hello everyone, I'm Naribi from BizLink Robotic Solution. In today's Tech Snack, we will talk about sustainability through predictive maintenance. So when we talk about sustainability in manufacturing, the focus is usually on energy resources or materials. But there's another critical lever, and that is maintenance strategy. Unplanned downtime isn't just a productive issue. It wastes energy, drives up spare parts usage, and shortens equipment lifespan. So predictive maintenance, powered by AI, changes that. Systems like careDP detect early signs of wear or failure so your team can act before resources are wasted. And that means fewer emergency repairs, less materials waste, lower emission, and longer-lasting machines. And we've seen this in real-world results. Reduced power spikes, fewer parts replacement, and a measurable ROI in under a year. So if you're serious about sustainability, start by thinking how you maintain. What's one sustainability goals your plant is working on right now? Share it in the comments. We would love to connect the dots.